Hi, it's Matej from Quectel. I'm excited to show you our LC29HB EVB Kit, an excellent evaluation kit with dual-band, high-precision RTK and DR LC29HB module. This EVB features two UART interfaces, OBD, separate power supply input, as well as 4 signal indication LEDs and 2 SMA connectors. The LC29HB can receive and track a higher number of visible satellites in multi-bands compared to GNSS modules that track only L-band signals. It offers high-precision GNSS with RTK and DR function, which ensures the module's superior positioning performance even in weak signal areas or when GNSS signals are not available. Featuring high-precision positioning and low power consumption makes the LC29HB perfectly suited for applications such as real-time tracking, e-bikes, scooters and lawn mowers. We have packed all the accessories you need so you can quickly start developing and testing your custom GNSS application. Let's dive in and explore the evaluation kit. We have EVB with LC29HB module, 2 Type B USB cables, an active GNSS antenna, nuts and bolts. Now let's get more familiar with the main elements of the LC29HB EVB. Here we can see the LC29HB module. Next we have GNSS antenna connector, PPS connector used for testing pulse per second signal, wake up button allowing us to wake up the module from backup mode, module reset button, OBD connector used for wheel tick and forward signals input, 4 signal indication LEDs, position fix and UART TXD indicators, EVB and module power supply indicators, power switch, power and USB to UART communication interface supporting standard NMEA and RTCA messages, binary data, pair PQTM messages and firmware upgrade. Power supply input only used to supply power to avoid insufficient J5L1 supply. EVB version. Mounting holes for EVB standoffs. We will now place standoffs so the EVB will be easier to operate. Let's now connect the active GNSS antenna to the module. Make sure that the antenna is placed with a clear line of sight to the sky. The first thing we must do is to install the driver so we can communicate with our module. To do that, we will visit Silicon Labs website, download, unpack and install CP210X drivers. Let's now connect and turn on our EVB. First we connect the USB connectors of the EVB to the PC with USB cable. To switch it on, we need to set the power switch to the on position. The power indicator will light up. To achieve communication between our module and the PC and to observe the GNSS data, we need to use Quectel's tool called QGNSS. First, let's find out the USB serial port number, which is shown in Device Manager. Next, we start QGNSS, go to Settings and select appropriate module COM port as well as the baud rate. Finally, to start communication, we need to press the Connect button. And that's it! To find out more about Quectel's LC29HB EVB Kit, visit quectel.com, contact your regional sales team or our channel partners.